Okay, it's night time. The Henderson's in bed. And he's not very happy, are you? One second, I just wonder if I can see you through here. We're on day 2 and look at that view. Absolutely beautiful. And look about that one as well, even better. Excuse the wet hair. It's a somewhat unfortunate name for a road. If you get the spelling wrong. A lot of people here though, that's any problem. Look at the light in the river. We're here with Loz and Chris and Jackie. Just looking for a location up here, maybe. Nice? No. 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 On the way back to pick up the laptop to start the first recording session of today. Doing a handbrake. Oop. It's not the weather for this. Mechanic work. Yeah. Disgusting. Just listen for when this starts to get full, and then Chris's shout. So it's. How do we know when it's full? I'm just going to crawl out. I'm going to get a little zoom onto that. Missing one of the pegs off the top. Yeah, I took that off because it was rattling, and I was happy to play with only 5 strings because I didn't need the other one. And actually wrote a couple of songs with only 5 strings, and I like the sound of it. But now I want to put the 6 strings back on, and I forgot the peg. So numpty. Is it a kind of dream floating out on the tide? Perfect little scene for this. Ben's up and ready, testing the first microphone to record. Beautiful scenery as always. I'm gonna try. It's gorgeous, but it is really hot and sweaty. I can't. The hair is going to be a catastrophe. What's your name, mate? Tom. Tom. We've got a little friend here. Tom's come along to show us what he can play. Now play the coconut shy. Win a prize even if it's red. Secret wish you wish to be a big cactus with a pink flower on it, and the flower would be its offering of love to the desert, and the desert so dry and lonely that the creatures all appreciate the effort. Midnight radio will see you home. It's a 90-minute drive, but you're not alone. Yeah. There's opposite. Look at that sun. Minced beef and onions. We're going to have all 3 tins of these because they don't amount to much. And how do you know that? Baby carrots, because I'm hungry and I could eat 3 of these myself, to be honest. Oh my god, look at the state of it. It literally looks like... Actually, I'm not going to say anything. It's you that's eating it, mate. But what are you eating? This as well. They call these rabbit runs, don't they, with the trees over the top of them? Something like that. Or like Death Alley. So we've been taken to our location for tonight. Oh, there's people here at least. Creepy as hell. Okay. We're not the only people here. A bit of banter, are we? Oh, a nice selection of females. Enjoying a nice, quiet fruit salad there, Ben. So we're pulled off into a lay-by. Jesus, we start hearing that. That's a demonic noise, isn't it? I'm assuming that's a fox. No. It sounds very loud for a fox. You do like a
Scream, that's...
What is that then? It could be. They're communicating, there's two, they're like... You hear it? It's like a back and forth, one of them than the other. It must be a mating call of some kind.
Let's get to bed, never mind mating.
I know, what's he doing up at this time?
You worried about the crickets keeping you up?
I've got something screeching at the top of his voice. That's a bit like my autistic dog.
How's your dog autistic?
I don't know, it sounds like that.
No, but no. Why? No, so you're defining your dog as autistic because you know, it makes that noise?
Exactly.
So what you're saying is that's an autistic fox?
Yeah.
I think that's a fox.
What do you think that is then? I don't know any creature that makes that noise.
That's a forest though, isn't it?
We're next to a forest, yeah.
Rabbit.
Antlers rather than normal ears. Oh my god. That's
Antlers
so
aren't
long.
ears. They don't listen with their antlers. You mean antenna?
It's got to that time. Yes, the cricket's
Join
watching.
in with it. Shut up, you're like that lorry driver. You think you're doing a mating call.
At the minute, I'd rather take the truck driver over this screeching.
You don't know what noises he makes, yeah?
Oh, I've heard all about him. I think they're done.
Yeah. Can you hear them having a cigarette?
Yeah.